BTBT stock analysis and price predictions for Friday. Let's end the week strong. Is it a buy or not? Watch this quick 1-minute video till the end to find out. While also having done well over 45,000 videos and 5 years of experience of seeing what's working for me and what's not. And ultimately all it comes down to is I'm looking to buy more. You know, specifically with BTBT, all I wanted to see was a double break. And I didn't quite see the double break, to be very honest with you. It just kind of went very choppy. And that's fair, you know, because the second break would have been above like 323 and I still would have not gotten it. But my bias is going to be the same because I never got the rules met how I wanted them to be met going into this next week. Of course, I'm looking to buy more, but only if the price corrects down a bit and then gives me a double break. You know, other than that, like, I'm not going to force no trades, honestly, man. Like, why even bother? So I do have a lot of receipts with him. And if you want to stay tuned and get free sauce, click the first link in the description and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.